ये कॉन्वर्सेशन वन वे हो जा रहा है, समझ में आ गया? मैं ही सिर्फ बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
इट इज ओके सोना, हम लोग रियल रहते हैं, बनेगा वीडियो बनाए, ऐसा ओवर स्मार्ट नहीं बन रहे हैं ना।
Okay. What we are thinking is today we will talk about normally people do start their conversation or do try to make a conversation by discussing on the topic how is the weather. So today we will try to discuss what kind of sentences that we can say uh, for having those discussions around the weather. Okay. The first one is normally we see, right, when there is a change in the weather, we do ask our relatives or friends what is the weather there.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ओनली बारिश हो रही है क्या
हाँ.
वहाँ पे? इज इट रेनिंग ओवर देयर?
Yes, so we should be. So this is something. It's not seasonable, right? So suppose it's the month of May, and suddenly rain starts, and then we say, uh, why the rain has just started. So there's a different way to say this. The word is unseasonable. Okay, unseasonable means normally for
Means
warm.
it is not the season to
हाँ.
rain, but it is
It has
raining.
it is raining right now. So what we can say is it's raining unseasonably today. Okay.
Okay.
That is one. There's a different way to say even unseasonably also. Like, so suppose it was warmth until yesterday, but suddenly we saw clouds coming up in the sky. What we can say is what happened actually. What happened, we'll use that word, what happened. So right now we are trying to say different thing about one unseasonable weather conditions.
We are wondering that
Uh,
how it.
so we can say what happened to the sun today. That means what we are trying to say is we are trying to tell sudden change in the weather in a different way actually. Okay. So the first word or set of word would be what happened X. So for example, it was sunny until yesterday, and now it's raining or it's cloudy. So we may say what happened to the sun today. So it's not
What
that
happened to the sun today? Yesterday it was all sunny, and today.
Where is the sun today, or what happened to the sun? This is how we
Okay.
can
Okay.
continue our sentence.
Can we say like this? What happened to the weather of Indore? In every state it is raining, but sun is not showing up in Indore only.
Right. This is the one way we can say what happened
Okay.
to the weather.
Hmm.
There can be other way as well, right? Like you can also denote that month also. You can denote that week also. Normally, what happens is we do have a fixed timeline of a season, or we do have a fixed timeline of a weather. Like for winter, it will be normally November, December. Summer, the hot summer would be around May and April and June. But if there is a sudden change in the weather in that seasonal month also, then we can also denote that particular month. For example, we are in the May month and started raining. We can say again, is it June? What happened to the June today? So that means actually we are expecting June to be sunny and warmth, but it is not behaving as it is.
Actually, it happened this time, right?
Hmm.
When it was March only, and we are feeling like no. It was May only, and it started raining.
Yeah.
And you remember, it was raining. It rained throughout the month.
Throughout the
and
month.
in the June, it stopped raining.
It stopped raining. So what we can say in the while we are having a discussion with our family, friends, or relatives, we can say what happened to the June, or what happened to the May.
Yes.
It was supposed to be warm, but it's
It
raining.
was raining,
It-
and what
uh-huh.
happened to the June?
Huh.
It was supposed to rain, but it didn't rain here.
Right. So let's do one thing now. Since there are two things that we are trying to say. One is what happened to X that we are trying to say. The second is we are also trying to uh, take that month's name also. By
Yes.
changing that, there is a sudden change in the weather. So two things that we are learning in this video today. Okay.
What happened to the main subject about what we are saying, and we can also include the month. That is what you are
Right.
trying to say.
So it's
English.
normally we do discuss all this, that why it started raining. It should not rain. This is
Yes.
how the casual conversation that we do. It should not rain right now. This is June month. Why it is raining right now? Or this is June month. It should not rain right now. Or this is June month. It should rain, but it's not raining right now. Th- by telling all this also we are telling about the weather, but there's a different way to tell, because there's an unexpected weather change that is there. What is unexpected change in the weather? Right now it should rain, but it is not raining. Then we should say, what happened to the June? It should rain right now. That
Yes.
means we are saying that in June month, actually June month is a rainy season, but it's not raining, so there's
Yes.
something wrong with June. That is how, when we say what happened to
This is the unseasonably.
unseasonable
It
rain,
is an unseasonable.
unseasonable warmth right now outside, because
Yes, it
not
is an unseasonable warmth right now.
right now. That means what we are trying to say is it should rain right now, but it is hot outside.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
it is.
The other way, that no, it's cloudy right now, but not
And right now, today, I can say that it is freezing for.
June,
June.
July. It's freezing for July actually.
It is freezing for July. Yes.
Yes,
is
it should
July.
not. We should not feel cold in July. Normally, we should feel cold in November, December.
Yes.
But today's weather is
Or
cold.
in the beginning of September, October.
Right. But today we are feeling cold, so we can say, right, it's freezing for July. Or there's
Yes.
I think the July is not behaving as expected. We can say this also. So what we are trying to say is different ways to tell that there is a change in the weather. Normally, why we have picked this discussion point is, normally we do start the conversation, or we try to make the conversation by discussing on the weather topic with friends and relatives.
Yes,
So there is a
definitely.
different way to say. That's why it is important how we can say this differently, and it's not a formal way of discussion. It's an informal way of discussion.
So, by the end of this session, I want to introduce myself. My name is Chandramukhi Kumari, and
My name is Shashi Kumar.
I am his Mona and he is my Shona. As you would be seeing in the so many reels where I pretend to be Shona wearing his shirts.
ठीक है, हो गया. मैं इसका पार्ट नहीं हूँ.